Beauty fam, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Josie and I love to share beauty, lifestyle and travel vlogs. I have a playlist that caters to all these topics, and if you are interested in any of them, please do go ahead and check out my playlist and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. So let's get into this video. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the types of eyeliners and my favorite eyeliner looks. And so I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. So when it comes to eyeliners, we have the three major types, which is the pencil eyeliners, we have the gel or the cream eyeliners, and we also have the liquid eyeliners. So let me show you examples of what I'm talking about. Let me just throw in the fourth one. You can actually use eyeshadows to create an eyeliner look. You just need a precision brush that is going to help you to do that. So let me show you an example of a pencil eyeliner. So this is an example of a pencil eyeliner, and this is in black. You are not limited to colors. You can play with colors, but the common ones that people mostly use are black and brown eyeliners. So this is an example of a pencil eyeliner. It does the work pretty well. You just make sure that when using it, the tip is always sharp to get the precision you need, but this smudges, so just take note when you are using a pencil as an eyeliner, and preferably go in for pencils that have a soft or a creamy texture. That way when you are working on your eye, you are not hurting the skin because the product is too hard to apply. So the second type of eyeliner I'd like to talk about is the gel eyeliner, and this is an example from Makeup Academy. This is their gel eyeliner, and the gel eyeliners mostly come in pots like this, and some have a rounded lid. And so I love using gel eyeliners. You just need a precision brush to pick the product and apply to get the sharp line you are looking for. So these are some types of brushes you can use when you are applying your gel eyeliner, and this one has a really thin tip, so you can use a brush like this, or you can also go in for a flat brush but very thin. This can also help you when you are using your gel eyeliner. So the third type of eyeliner is the liquid eyeliner, and these come in different sizes, types, and it depends on you and what you find easier to use. So unlike the pencil eyeliners and the gel eyeliners, which smudge, the liquid eyeliners do not smudge. So this is an example. So some come in pots like this, and it comes in different shapes and sizes, but the tip is mostly like that. The tip is mostly pointed inside the container. This is the e.l.f. one, and it comes in this tube as well, and some also come in a form of a felt tip. So this is like a pen, and I like this to help you to get that precision you want to get. So now that I've shown you the types of eyeliners out there, I'm sure in the future there may be different brands coming in with different products or types of eyeliners, but for now these are the major ones on the market, and you can use any one that you prefer just to achieve that eyeliner look that you want. So now I'm going to be sharing with you the types of eyeliner styles that I love. There are so many types of eyeliner styles, but I'm going to be sharing with you 4 of my favorite eyeliner styles. So let's get into it. So the first eyeliner look is the classic eyeliner, and you want to start by drawing a line that will guide you to build the wing. And I have hooded eye, meaning my eyelid folds when I look straight in the mirror, and so I have to take that into consideration when doing eyeliner looks. This is because if I do not let the wing go up a little bit, you might not see the wing at all, and so I like to take that wing upwards a little bit, and that lifts the eye for me. And so after working on the wing, I make sure that I work from the inner part of the eye to meet that wing on the outer part of the eye. And with the classic eyeliner look, you do not want a bold eyeliner look, and so I'm trying to maintain the product on the line or my lash line, and not to take it too much into the eyelid area. So here I am making sure that the wing is neat and it's flowing into the rest of the eyeliner on the inner part of the eye. And for this look I used a gel eyeliner. The second eyeliner look is the double up eyeliner, and I'm using a liquid eyeliner to create this look. And so I drew a line, and now I am going to draw another line into the eyelid and build that wing before I go in and continue with the rest of the eyeliner from the inner part of the eye. And I am doing this gradually. You need to take your time. And working with liquid eyeliners, sometimes I observe that it kind of enters your eye a little, and so I don't like using it to work on the waterline area because it will enter your eye. So for the lower part or the under eye area, I like to use a gel eyeliner because that one has a more creamy consistency or texture. So I built the eyeliner halfway for the lower lash area, and that is for the double up. And here is a quick comparison between the double up on one side and the classic on the other side. So for the Luxe eyeliner look, I'm going to be using a liquid eyeliner as well. So I'm going to start by building the wing first before I continue with the rest of the body of the eyeliner. And for the Luxe eyeliner, I'm going to be filling in the entire eyelid area from the bottom to the top. And so for this particular look, I'm going to make the wing a little bit thicker and also make the rest of the eyelid area thicker as well. So for the upper lids, I'm using a liquid eyeliner, but when it comes to the lower lids, the waterline area and the lower part of the lash line area, I'm going to be using a gel liner as well. And again, when you are applying eyeliner, you are supposed to take your time and make sure that you are getting that wing snatched. That's why I'm not talking in this video, because you can't talk and apply your eyeliner at the same time. Or else you are going to poke your eye, or you are going to make a mistake, and we don't want that. And working with a liquid eyeliner, when you make a mistake, you need to wait for it to dry, or you need to clean the entire thing. Yeah, and we don't want that. So I'm using a flat brush to apply the gel eyeliner on the lower lash line area as well as the waterline area, and I'm going to switch into a more pointed brush to connect the lower line to the upper line. And the fourth and final look is the drama eyeliner look, and this can also be called the Arabic look. And I love this look when I want to go for a more dramatic, eye turning or head turning, look. And I love this wing. It's a really sultry look, and just like I did for all the 3 eyeliner looks previously, I'm going to create the topmost wing first, and again I'm using a liquid eyeliner, and for the lower part I'm using a gel eyeliner and a flat brush. And for this, you want to make the lines a little bit thicker, and you want to make sure that you also fill in the waterline area to make that side look darker. You want a sultry dark look for this particular eyeliner style. And don't worry if your eyes begin to tear up. Especially when you are working with eyeliner, it's normal for your eyes to tear up because you are working close to the eye. So I'm going to finish this look by extending the inner tear duct area eyeliner, and that is the signature for this drama eye style. So this is a quick comparison between the drama eyeliner style and the Luxe eyeliner style. And anyone can do all these eyeliner looks and more, and also you are not limited to color. You can play with color and have fun with your eyeliner looks. So that's it for this video, fam. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, please don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section below and let me know what you think. Are you a fan of eyeliners? Do you struggle with eyeliner application? And which of these is your favorite? Let me know. Let's get interactive in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye.